Sir, so
Yeah,
with what findings can we distinguish fibromyalgia with these,
ankylosing.
yeah.
So fibromyalgia will have more soft tissue tendernesses. Those tendernesses will be more diffuse, and they will not be only along the spine. They will have tenderness here also, and here also, and there also. So these things are not at all into a joint situation, whether it is articular or periarticular. And fibromyalgia will not have the classic morning stiffness. Fibromyalgia will not have the findings that you get on ankylosing. I mean, when you see range of motion and also, I'm going to go to that subsequently. So those things not being there, fibromyalgia is a distinct character. They are the people who are always stressed. They are the people who will never be happy. They are the people who will never be feeling better with whatever medicine you give.